Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 5-inch, 125mm concrete polishing pad. This is a high sheen dry polishing pad. In the lower grits, it does phenomenal stock removal. In the higher grits, it leaves a very high shine. Gloss numbers are very high. DUI numbers are very high, and there's no transfer. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have a 7-inch, 175mm PCD coating removal wheel. This is a great tool to remove any type of buildup coating, from glues to paints. It does it fast, it doesn't smear when you remove it with the segments. You know, time is money, so message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our 3-inch 76mm Phantom polishing pad. This is a great pad for guys who want to do either wet and or dry polishing. It does phenomenal stock removal, works great on heavy machines and light machines, and it leaves a very, very beautiful shine. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our Tri-Seg 80 grit soft bond grinding plates. These are a great tool if you're doing a transition to polishing. It leaves a very subtle scratch pattern. It has soft edges, so it leaves no rogue scratches. Has a great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have the Micron grinding plate. Now, this tool is made for removal of like thin buildup coatings, paints, glues, and also great for super hard concrete. The cream, the latency, if it's ultra hard, it cuts right through it. Great life. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have one of our top sellers, the premium half bar shredders. This is a coating removal tool, great for removal of soft build coatings. You got glues, mastics, underlayments, thin sets, all that jazz. It's going to remove it beautifully. Heavy concentration of a premium diamond, and it lasts long. Message me now.